Hey guys, take a look at my cool new rubber band gun. I'm gonna walk you through how to put it together and show you how it works. But first, let's have some fun and do a bit of target practice. To explain how it works, I've created this cutaway model. Let's begin by discussing the main components. We have the frame with the barrel, the trigger, the magazine that holds the rubber bands, and a spring. The spring is necessary for the loading process as it allows the trigger to snap back and lock the magazine in place. Now, let's load some rubber bands so you can better understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, when I pull back the magazine, the trigger instantly snaps back. After that, you're ready to load another rubber band. Alright, so that's the loading procedure. Now, let's move on to the fun part, shooting. The idea here is to fire one rubber band at a time. To space out your shots, you'll need to prevent the magazine from spinning. To achieve this, I've added a stop mechanism on the rear side of the trigger. The top part of the trigger takes care of releasing the magazine, and just below the point where it pivots, the stop comes into play, instantly stopping the magazine's rotation. When you're ready for the next shot, simply release the trigger and the gun will be all set. I printed a trigger without the stop so you can see the difference. Now you have seen how it works, let's continue with the assembly. Please print the parts in the orientation as shown. Keep in mind that you'll need to print the magazine with support and perform some cleaning afterward. The spring should be printed with a wall count of 4. Now, let's begin with the frame. Insert the spring until you hear the click sound. Grab the magazine, slide it into position, and use some filament to secure it. Trim off any excess ends for a clean finish. We do the same with the trigger. Insert the filament and trim the ends. Now we are done. Let's do some testing if everything moves smoothly. The size of your rubber bands will determine the barrel length. For smaller rubber bands, like the ones I'm using, opt for a shorter barrel. We've almost made it. Now we just need to set up the target cards. For this, regular playing cards are inserted into the slot in the holder. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.